Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add border to your text. So adding border to images is, it's quite like going to elements and stuff. I mean, it's kind of same with the text, but yeah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add border to your text. So let's dive right in. Suppose this is the text and I want to put this into a border, right? So let's go to elements, and first thing, of course, let's go to maybe a rectangle, I guess. Yeah, let's go to the rectangle. It's a rectangle. Let's change the color. Maybe I want to put more to a blue side. So yeah, all we have to do is adjust the rectangle according to the text. Suppose, this will do, I guess. Yeah, this will do. I want to zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah. And all you have to do is go in this top bar over here, and you can see different options like the sizes, shapes. You can turn it into different shapes, as you can see, but I'm okay with this over here. So let's go back. Yeah, this is just fine. So since you tap in here, you can see this option. You can see this option of border style. You can go in there. And here is another option of border weight. So can you see it? Once you've done that, you can automatically see the border. You can also go to this border color. You can also change the color. Let's say I want to make it more like grayish or a gradient color, like this. Yeah, and this goes well. This one, yeah. So yeah, this is how you add border to your text. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.